Welcome everyone. Thank you, sir. As you people know that you people now here are sitting for the GD round. In this group discussion, first of all, I am going to narrate a particular topic in front of you people. This narration will keep going on for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. During this, you will keep listening, and if you want, you can note down the key points or the main points or whatever you wish to note down. After I have finished my narration, I shall give you a margin time of 7 to 10 minutes to note down about the topic. And right after that, we shall start discussion. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now listen very much carefully. The topic we are going to discuss is globalization is not beneficial for the development of a country like India. Why so? The technological development in the field of IT and telecommunication have transgressed boundaries, enabling free flow of information and ideas. Hence, economies that are not integrated with the world will lag behind and remain undeveloped. Second point is, in the absence of technology and capital, the abundant resources of the nation in the form of material and labor will remain underutilized. Third point is, globalization makes local industry competitive. It motivates them to adopt best technology and management practices for greater productivity with the cost effectiveness. Because of globalization, developing countries have recorded higher growth rate, both in terms of GDP and per capita income than developed countries. Last point is, it benefits the consumer who can now avail of quality product at a reasonable price. Now, I shall brief some points which are against the topic. Developed nations exploit cheap, highly skilled labor of developing countries like India and some other countries of Asia, reducing them to work as a cyber coolies in BPOs and KPOs operation. BPO stands for Business Process Outsourcing. KPO stands for Knowledge Process Outsourcing. These BPOs in general are known as call centers. In the use of globalization, developed nations emphasize more on free rather than fair trade. They want their own benefit only, while forcing developing countries to abolish trade barriers. To enable them to access new markets, they raise their own trade barriers, citing reasons like loss of jobs etc., thereby hindering flows of goods and services from developing countries to them. Means developed countries actually do not want that developing countries can export their products to them. Few multinationals have also been known to use their capitalist power to influence major economic and political decisions of the government. Huge financial resources of the country get locked up in projects undertaken by foreign MNCs who go bankrupt. Globalization can restrain the growth of domestic entrepreneurial talent, which is essential for the organized growth. As for the conclusion, we can say that globalization is an irreversible process that is good for developing country like India. It has led to increase in the economic growth as reflected in the GDP and the per capita income. However, this is required to ensure financial stability because of high volatility of foreign capital market and also to safeguard the increase of domestic industries. My narration is over. Now you have a time of 7 to 10 minutes to note down about the topic. So cadets, now stop writing, time is over. and this is high time to start GD. In this GD, first of all, everyone will speak for a single minute. In this 1 minute, he will provide his introduction and his point of view on the same topic. And when the last cadet speaks, then the whole group will start a discussion. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Start.
Hello everyone, I am Akshay Pratap Singh Chauhan from Fatehpur, which is known for Bamnevli. I have done my 10 plus 2 from ICSC board, and my hobbies are I like to read spy novels and playing outdoor games. My motto is to explore India and its all heritage site. My aim is to join Indian Air Force because I want to give and serve country my best. As coming to topic, our topic is globalization is necessary for our country or not. As we all know, it is very necessary for developing country like India, because when a foreign country is come and invest in our country, then the stability and more safety will be for our domestic.
Next.
Jai Hind friends, I am Bipin Yadav. I belong to Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for Jahangir Fort. I have completed class 12 from Uttar Pradesh Sarvajanik Inter College. My hobbies are playing cricket, especially batting and running. My father's name is Ramashankar Yadav. He is in Uttar Pradesh Parivahan Vibhag. My mother's name is Priyanka Devi. She is housewife. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me an adventurous life and touch the sky with glory and serve the nation from the front line. Now coming to the topics. Globalization. Globalization means the investment of foreign companies go to the another countries. They invest there. Due to globalization, there are so many benefits, like as they increase their employment and technologies are also spreaded. If any company will develop any technologies, then due to globalization, that technology will also spread all over the countries, and it will also boost those countries, those companies who are not able to make some productive quantities and qualities, because there are so many companies. Like an example, in India, Hero companies, that time they are making only cycles, but now they are combined with Hero Honda companies and they making a motorcycle.
Next.
Hello, my name is Jakash. I am from Balia. Balia is located in UP. I have done 10 plus 2 in CBSE board. CBSE board.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो.
I am pursuing. I am studying BA second year with Chandrasekhar Jannayak University of Balia. My hobby is playing football and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force and support. I want to join Indian Air Force and serve the nation. Come to my topic. My topic is globalization. First of all, what is globalization? Globalization is a cultural, political and ideas capital of the one country interlinked with another country of the world.
Next.
Jai friends, my name is Mirza Sahil Beg from Uttar Pradesh Raebareli. I have done my class 12 in 2021 and currently I am pursuing BSc first year. My hobby is singing. I belong to a nuclear family. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and I want to join Indian Air Force because it is very respectful job, and also I want to serve the nation. Today my topic is globalization. Globalization means doing business without any border barrier and without any border interest. So in these days, India promotes globalization because unemployment rate is very high in our India, and also I give some example in Vietnam. As we know that in COVID-19 time, all countries GDP are going down, but Vietnam was a country which GDP are not going down, because the reason Vietnam allow all the Chinese company to their country invest for many sectors like electronic sector and many automobile sector and many other sectors.
Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritesh Mishra. I am basically from Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. I have done 12th from UP board and currently I am pursuing BSc in PCM. My hobby is singing and I want to join Air Force because it provides us a structured and disciplined life, and it is an adventurous job in India. Let's come to the topic globalization. Globalization is the basically cooperation in the countries. It provides us a permission to do business in the other countries, and it is beneficial for our country because it enhance our GDP and economy also. The globalization is the term in which we are able to do business in the same scenario in all countries, and if we do not incline in the globalization, there is a bad effect on the international relationship with our country.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Nazarin, which means to give happiness. I belong Ambedkar Nagar in UP, which is famous for the cloth industry, terracotta. I completed my 10+2 from PCM with UP board. Currently, I pursue my graduation BSc first year with PCM and math honors. My hobby is photography on the historical places, and I want to join Indian Air Force because this is my dream job, and I want to help my family financially. My motto is to touch the sky with glory. And today's topic is globalization. Globalization is the best way to trade any other countries with foreign countries, and we can exchange our culture and knowledge with any other countries, and telecommunications. If we can exchange our technology and our ideas with other foreign countries, then we can economically strong, and economically our economic will increase, and we can find to produce new ideas in our India, and our youth will find new jobs, and their technologies view in India.
GD start.
Then friends, we are here to discuss on the topic is globalization. Because after 1991, India gave the chance to foreign countries that they can invest in India.
Yes, as my friend said, globalization is very beneficial for our any country's economy, because in globalization many foreign countries invest the money in a particular country, and this will count in the GDP of that particular company. So
But we are not only dependent to foreign countries, because in the history we are totally dependent. But he is available in India with 200 years to the India.
Yes, our
So
ISN
we are not
globalization
only
is the
dependent
process
on
of to integrate the economy from the world other countries'
Yes,
economy.
friends, I agree with your points. In current time, our Prime Minister meets Elon Musk, and they contribute their SpaceX company at Tesla produce in our country, India. So we can exchange our technology and best ideas from this Tesla company, and we can conclude new cars and new infrastructures in India.
And in this time, many companies are want to come in India because the labor in India are very cheap, and the reason that unemployment is very high. So the many companies are want to come in India, and they set up their store in India, and also
Yes,
in
as my friend says that you are better for our native companies, and when we compete
the next level of the from other companies.
होल्ड ऑन। अब सुन लो, चेस नंबर 31। बड़े ही स्लो स्पीकर हो बेटा, पिच तुम्हारी बहुत धीमी है, गले की पिच बहुत ज़्यादा धीमी है, इसको थोड़ा खोलना पड़ेगा। जीडी में जीडी इज़ वेरी मच लाइक अ गेम ऑफ फुटबॉल। आपकी आवाज़ दूर तक जानी चाहिए, देन ओनली यू कैन मेक योर ऑडियंस लिसन टू यू। कम से कम वो आपकी बात सुन तो लें। दूसरा, टॉपिक पर अभी भी लेस प्रिपेयर्ड हो। जितने अच्छे आइडियाज़ होने चाहिए उतने अच्छे आइडियाज़ नहीं। चेस नंबर 9, चेस नंबर 9। जीडी में तो बोले ही नहीं बेटा। एक अच्छा श्रोता एक अच्छा वक्ता होता है, ये बात ठीक है, लेकिन इसका ये मत क्या, अरे जैसा भी हो सकता है, कुल मिला के जीडी ऐसा ही होता है, समझ गए। चेस नंबर 294। आपने इंट्रोडक्शन को बहुत अच्छे से अपना दिया था 50 सेकंड में, लेकिन आपका नरेशन वाला काम पूरा हो गया। आपके पास बोलने के लिए 1 मिनट का कंटेंट था ही नहीं। उसके बाद जीडी में आप लेस इन्वॉल्व हैं, अपनी इन्वॉल्वमेंट को थोड़ा सा आपको और बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है। चेस नंबर 68, नरेशन ही नरेशन हुआ, जीडी में तो पार्टिसिपेट ना के बराबर हुआ, और जीडी के ही तो नंबर होते हैं ज़्यादा। अगर आप जीडी में इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं होंगे तो केवल नरेशन के आधार पर आपका जीडी वाला राउंड कैसे क्लियर होगा? अपनी बात रखोगे कैसे? चेस नंबर 117, 117, परफेक्ट एज इट वाज एक्सपेक्टेड। काफ़ी वेल पैक्ड इंट्रोडक्शन 23 सेकंड में ख़त्म, लेकिन जीडी में पार्टिसिपेशन करने के दौरान थोड़ा और कंट्रोलिंग परफॉर्मेंस आपकी होनी चाहिए थी। इनिशिएटिव लेते समय ये बात भी ख्याल रखो, अगर एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे इनिशिएटिव ले रहे हैं तो या तो पहले 5-6 सेकंड में दूसरा चुप हो जाए, अदरवाइज़ आप चुप हो जाओ। हाँ, तो आप 5-6 सेकंड से ज़्यादा का अगर आप समय ले रहे हैं तो दोनों नेगेटिव रिमार्क होंगे ना, आप भी और वो भी। अदरवाइज़ जो चुप हो जाएगा वो पॉजिटिव रिमार्क हो जाएगा। भाई लीडरशिप का ये मतलब थोड़ा ना होता है कि आप ग्रुप के ऊपर खुद को हावी कर दें। लीडरशिप का ये मतलब होता है आप समझदारी दिखाकर चलें। चेस नंबर 155, अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस डाउटलेसली। 25 सेकंड में इंट्रोडक्शन ख़त्म, बहुत अच्छा किया, लेकिन बीच बीच में शब्द तुम्हारे रिपीट हो जा रहे थे। अब ये जो रिपीटेशन है इसको थोड़ा फिल्टर करने की बात है। जीडी में बैठकर कभी भी एक ही एग्जाम्पल को मैग्नीफाई नहीं किया जा सकता। एलन मस्क से ज़्यादा बड़ी निवेश हमारे देश में हो चुकी हैं, तो एक केवल उसी निवेश के बारे में आप बात करें तो दिक्कत पड़ेगी। तो दिस वॉज द जीडी। नाउ द जीडी इज़ ओवर।
थैंक यू सो मच।